Yes, बच्चे. Now, Tilly, this young girl, in the second part of the chapter, we read about this girl, this Tilly. She saw the sea slowly rising. She's on the beach with her family, and suddenly she observed the beast that coast. And what she observed, Tilly saw the sea slowly rise and start to form bubble and form whirlpool. Means these are the symptoms which Tilly noticed on the seashore. उसने सडनली ये सारी जो चेंजेस थी उस एरिया में वहां कोस्ट पे उसने नोट की. She remembered that she had seen this in class in a video of a tsunami that had hit the Hawaii island and her in 1946. Means she had seen that scene of tsunami which occurred in 1946. Now her geography teacher had shown her class the video and told them that tsunamis can be caused by earthquakes, volcanoes and landslides. Now, beta, the information we get in school or in books from this part of the chapter, we can understand, we should keep in mind, we should learn that learning of one subject may help in our life, may help us any time in life. है ना? वो उसने geography class में अपना उसने video देखा था how this story starts. And she observed the same symptoms on that sea coast, that beach area. Tilly started to scream at her family to get on the beach. She talked about an earthquake under the sea. She got more and more hysterical. Hysterical when you are out of control, you are panic. Started shouting, horrified. Said her mother, I didn't know what a tsunami was, but seeing my daughter so frightened, I thought something serious must be going on. Now, attentiveness of the parents also. Mother understood what the child wanted to say. She understood what Tilly was trying to tell. Tilly's parents took her and her sister away from the beach to the swimming pool at the hotel. A number of other tourists also left the beach with them. Then it was as if the entire sea had come out after them. It was screaming, run. The family took refuge in the third floor of the hotel. They went up to the third floor of the hotel. If they had stayed on the beach, better see the conditional sentence, third type of the conditional. Now you have done conditional sentences. This is third type. ऐसा हुआ नहीं, लेकिन author कहता है अगर ऐसा होता, if they had stayed on the beach, they would not have been alive. अगर वो वहां पे जिंदा रहते, ऐसा हुआ नहीं. But the author expects if it had been, the combination of the verb is had plus would have. If they had stayed on the beach, they would not have been alive. The Smiths, बेटा एक बात और देखें, हम सिंगुलर जब सरनेम होता है तो वहां उसके साथ यूज नहीं करते. The Smiths means it is used for a community. The Smiths, right? Later met other tourists who had lost entire families. Thanks to Tilly and her geography lesson, they had been forewarned. Forewarned means समय से पहले warn करना. Forewarned. F-O-R-E, फोर क्या होता है? Pre. पहले four. You can check this word. You can use this word many times. Sometime pre, sometime four. F-O-R-E. जैसे forehead, head पे नीचे वाला हिस्सा. Tilly went back to her school in England and told her classmates her terrifying tale. She shared her experience with her classmates. Now another important part of the chapter. It is important, beta, because it is concerned with the animals. Look carefully at the picture of the boy. Here, author is concerned that we people, we human beings are capable of taking decisions or just गेटिंग फैसिलिटीज, है ना, जैसे रिलीफ हेलीकॉप्टर आपने पढ़ा, हमने साइंस ने इतनी ज्यादा कर ली है, प्रोग्रेस की है, बट व्हाट अबाउट एनिमल्स? We are educated, we are capable of keeping ourselves safe, but what about the animals? In this part, we'll come to know how the animals, they survive or save themselves in such natural disasters or disastrous situations. Look carefully at the picture of the boy and his dog. In this picture, we can see there is a boy and a dog, and if we see the scene behind or the bench or the whatever the furniture part is there, he is sitting on it. We can see the condition of that furniture or the table or the almirah. It is some kind of part of the furniture. Look carefully at the picture of the boy, his dog, and try to describe the things that you see. अगर आप इसके बैक साइड पे सीन देखें, if you observe this, the background, it is disastrous. It seems that something, some natural disaster has been there, flood, tsunami, or any kind of earthquake. Using just words and phrases, either the teacher or one of the students can write. This is how you can start, calm, do, stay. Means these are the how you can describe the scene. Before the giant wave slammed on into the coast in India and Sri Lanka. Now we come to the part, an important part of the chapter. Before the giant waves slammed on the coast, means Indian coast was affected by tsunami. Before the giant waves slammed into the coast in India and Sri Lanka, wild and domestic animals seemed to know what was about to happen. They fled to safety according to the eyewitness accounts. Eyewitness accounts means जिन लोगों ने इस सीन को अपनी आंखों से देखा, जिसको हम चश्मदीद गवाह बोलते हैं हिंदी में, eyewitness. Now the people who survived, they fled to safety according to eyewitness accounts. Means now here they is used for the animals. Someone observed and told that the animals, they fled to the safety spots. Elephants screamed and ran for higher ground. Dogs refused to go outdoors. Flamingos abandoned their low-lying breeding areas, and zoo animals rushed into their shelters and could not be enticed to come back out. Now see beta, how the animals behave in such situations. Animals, they usually, you have seen some kind of a scene in the movie that the owner of the dog, he tried to drag the dog out. He wants his dog to come out of the house, but the dog is not coming out. And sometimes he's not willing. Why it happens? Now the author is concerned with how the animals, they survive in such situations, and what does the eyewitness told. Eyewitness जिन लोगों ने इस ऐसी सिचुएशन को ऑब्जर्व किया है, वो क्या कहते हैं कि जो एलिफेंट्स हैं, they screamed and ran for the high ground. ऐसे जो लोग हैं, वो एलिफेंट्स हैं, वो खूब शोर मचाते हैं. ऐसा तो आपने देखा होगा कि जो एनिमल्स हैं, वो अर्थक्वेक से पहले भी वो कुछ ना कुछ साउंड्स करते हैं. हम लोग कहते हैं ना, कई बार आपने एल्डर्स को देखा होगा, कुछ डॉग्स किसी भी तरह से वो साउंड्स निकालते, तो दे से it is not good, it is not a good sign, means something bad is going to happen. Now dogs refuse to come out of the houses. Zoo animals also, they just run madly in their cages. This is observed many times, and you can see such scenes in the movies also. You might have witnessed many times. Many people believe that animals possess a sixth sense. अब इसका solution क्या निकालना है? अब author or the people or the specialist, what they think about, what the thinkers, intellectuals think about, क्या कहते हो? बेटा, mark this part is very important. Many people believe that animals possess a sixth sense. वो कहते हैं animals की sixth sense होती है. And know when the earth is going to shake. These the animals, they become aware of the earthquake beforehand. Some experts believe animals more acute hearing, उनके सुनने की शक्ति इतनी तेज होती है, इतनी शार्प होती है. It helps them to hear or feel the earth's vibration. कि वो earthquake से पहले आज की जो वाइब्रेशन होती है, आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ earthquake occurs. They can sense an approaching disaster long before human realize what's going on. इंसानों से बहुत समय पहले वो सेंस कर लेते हैं. फाइन. एक तो रीजन है दे हैव सिक्स सेंस. अब बेटा सिक्स सेंस की अगर बात करते हैं तो हम लोग, आप लोगों ने कई बार सुना होगा, कभी भी कोई भी इंसान, कोई फैमिली मेंबर, कई बार मदर, कई बार कुछ ऐसे आपने बातें ऐसी सुनी होंगी जिसकी सिक्स सेंस तेज होती है ना, तो कई बार उसको आने वाली घटना के बारे में पता चल जाता है. हम कहते हैं उसकी सिक्स सेंस बहुत तेज है, या हम कहते हैं लड़कियों की सिक्स सेंस बहुत शार्प होती है ना. उनके आसपास अगर उन्हें कोई गलत इंसान दिखता है, फील होता है, ये फीलिंग होती है, हमें ऐसा एक तरह से फीलिंग आती है कि कुछ गलत होने वाला है. ऐसा नहीं है कि नहीं होने वाला तो भी आप फीलिंग ले लोगे, नहीं. इट इज सिक्स सेंस. फाइव सेंसेस होते हैं ना हमारी, जो सामने कंप्लीट है, फिजिकल है. सेंस ऑफ टेस्ट, सेंस ऑफ सीइंग, सेंस ऑफ स्मेलिंग एंड ऑल. इट इज सिक्स सेंस. इट इज रिलेटेड टू योर सेंसेस, टू योर ब्रेन, टू योर फीलिंग्स, that you sense. You see that something is going to happen, something wrong is going to happen, something good can happen. This is a sixth sense. Now, two parts are there why animals survive in such crucial disastrous situations. One is sixth sense and the other is, that is a acute hearing sense. Mark this paragraph to mark kar lijiye please. They can sense an approaching disaster long before humans realize what's going on. We cannot be sure whether animals have a sixth sense or not, but the fact is that the giant waves that rolled through the Indian Ocean killed more than 150,000 people in a dozen countries, but not many animals have been reported dead. ये विचार साइंटिस्ट को क्यों आया? Why did they thought about this fact? Why did they started reflecting this fact कि इतने लोग मर गए, 1,50,000 people in a dozen countries, but not many animals. लेकिन एनिमल्स इतने नहीं मरे थे. इसी बात ने सोचने के लिए मजबूर किया साइंटिस्ट को. Along India's petrol cost, where thousands of people perished, buffaloes, goats, dogs were found. Perished means died. They were found unharmed, but animals were not harmed. The Yala National Park in Sri Lanka is home to a variety of animals. Now this park, you might have heard about the national parks, zoo, where a variety of animals, elephants, leopard, 130 species of birds, 60 visitors were washed away from the Patalanga beach inside the park, but no animals' carcasses were found. Carcasses means dead bodies. No dead bodies were found, except for 2 water buffaloes. About an hour before the tsunami hit, people at Yala National Park had observed 3 elephants running away from the Patalanga beach. That's why it was told that either they try to run to the safer places, to the higher places, means they get this sense. भगवान ने अगर उनको वो शक्तियां नहीं दी जो हमें दी हैं, लेकिन उन्हें एक शक्ति दी है, दो शक्तियां दी है, या तो वो उनकी सिक्स सेंस है या उनकी वो अक्यूट हियरिंग, which are just described in this part of the chapter यहाँ पे, है ना? या तो उनकी अक्यूट हियरिंग सेंस है या सिक्स सेंस है, दो चीजें हैं बेटा. It will be asked in your question. Now, what does scientists tell that it was noticed. Now, no animal carcasses were found except for 2 water buffaloes about an hour before the tsunami hit. People at Yala National Park had observed 3 elephants running away from Patlanga beach. Now, a Sri Lankan gentleman who lives on the coast beach area, Gale said his 2 dogs would not go for a daily run on the beach. Means when he was trying to take his dogs for a walk, they are usually excited to go on this outing. He said, आमतौर पे आपने देखा है ना कि dogs बड़े excited हो जाते हैं when we want to take them for a walk. He said, but on that day they refused to go. Most probably saved his life. Now these 2 dogs, when they refused to go on the beach for a walk, they refused, and in a way, they saved the life of their master also. So here, beta, you can see that how the animals, they are able to survive in such disastrous, such crucial situations. So you should note down this point very attentively. It will be asked in the questions. Now this is the working with the text part. These questions, you will read the chapter again and mark the answers in the book. Now see the second question. Which words in the list below describe Sanjeev? Here, beta, you will have some kind of the characterization also. Right? As you are having long questions, it is not in the question form, but you are supposed to pick the words and fill the blanks. You will use these words in the blanks and you are supposed to choose the correct words which suits to Sanjeev, the personality of Sanjeev. Fine? Then it will be a description of Sanjeev, character sketch. Fine? Then you have the correct question, how are Meghna and Alma stories similar? You need to find the facts. But the facts which were similar in both the situations, for in the how these 2 girls survived. Fine. Then we have working with the language. In this working with the language, first exercise, go through part 1 carefully and make a list of as many words as you can find that indicate movement of different kinds. There is 1 word for occurs repeatedly, count how many times. Put them into 3 categories. Fast movement, slow movement. As I told you that when you use the word listen, listen here, or difference of watch and look at. Fine. Then these blanks you will do in the book. This work is to be done in the book. Study the sentences in the column, match the columns. It will make you attempt that question. The story of Meghna and Alma. Fine. Then again, say whether the following sentences are active or passive voice. You have done voice. You are supposed to identify the active and passive. It will also be done in the book itself. Speaking and writing. Beta, speaking, I told you, speaking or writing, that can be used for your writing skill. Fine. Suppose you are here, this is the diary entry. Write a diary entry. Means you can think of the situation, or diary entry can be. The question of the diary entry in your assignments or assessment can be used. These kind of assignments can be used. It is speaking and writing skill. Fine. Next is the story shows a little girl saved the lives of many tourists when tsunami struck the beach thanks to the geography lesson that she had learned at school. She remembered the visuals of tsunami and warned her parents. Next is, do you remember any incident when sometime? Means again you are supposed to write your experience in a paragraph. It is paragraph, it is description of the situation. So such questions can be used for your writing and